Hi, welcome back to Leo Build It. Today we're going to build a drill press stand. I found the drill press for free on the side of the road. I tested it, it works. The stand is wobbly because the concrete is uneven, not because it's off center or off square. It's not, it's square. The materials for this build was 1.5 by 1.5 steel angle iron that I salvaged from a bed frame that we had. The wood is 2x4. I used 3-inch drywall screws and 1.5-inch drywall screws. So the drill press was free. The drill press stand was free. The angle iron from the drill press stand came from a bed frame that I salvaged with my cutoff wheel and my grinder. The 1x12 and the 2x3, so the 1x3 are also free. I had them left over from other projects. I will go through and I meticulously pull out all the screws of all the projects I do in the past, so I don't have to go out and rebuy wood screws. I use a lot of drywall screws. I used 3-inch drywall screws and 1.5-inch drywall screws. I made a little shelf about 6 inches off the ground, so I can go ahead and store stuff on it. It fits the drill press nicely. I'm going to sand the crap out of it in a later video. So like I was saying, the drill press is free. I had some 2x4s laying around. I had 2 of them. I used about 1.5 2x4s for the wood section of the frame. The frames would go around. They'll make the rings, the boxes for the platform for the drill press. But we had it. God dang it. So now comes part of the time lapse. Thanks for watching. long story short, now that the 3rd, 5th, 16th day has passed over since I started recording this video, I got a free drill press, and I made the drill press stand out of scrap wood I had laying around, scrap metal I had laying around. It took me about 3 hours, and I took it slow because I don't want to, mess things up. But I always mess things up, and I correct myself and go back and readdress the design. So yeah, the next step is to go ahead and sand it down. Spray paint the metal so it doesn't rust, or if it does rust, it doesn't rust drastically enough to be noticeable. Sand the wood down, make it look presentable. Get a few coats of black paint. I might make a frame to go around the drill press on the top to catch all the burrs and all the sawdust from the wood dust or the chip outs. I plan on using this for a long time, so if I replace the drill press, I'm going to get one about the same size but newer, but keep the drill press stand. So thanks for watching Leo Builds It. Please comment, like, and subscribe.